So there's my sun gazing spot up there. And right over here is my new best rat-eating buddy in the whole neighborhood, Mr. Rattlesnake. At least I think he's there. I hope he's there. I don't want to lose track of where he is. I don't want to step on him. He's still there. You see him? It's kind of hard to see. He sees me now. He's right in there. It's okay, buddy. It's okay, I'm not gonna hurt you. Just passing by, just passing by. Have a nice day, buddy. This is hard to do on this trail with this camera. Let's see if I can get a closer shot. See him? He's right in the dark there, right in there. You can barely see his head. I need a bigger zoom lens. Anyway, there you go. He's waiting for a nice, big, juicy, fat rat to come home from work. Anyway, have a good day, buddy. We made a deal. I won't bite him if he don't bite me.